What's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. This is a YouTube channel about trading futures. In the previous videos, right before this, you've seen that I've been trading a $1,200 account since about a week and a half ago, and we're just growing it and seeing what happens. I funded this account by using Top Step Forex. First off, made about $1,600 through that program, risk-free, meaning I was trading their money, and then withdrew that $1,600, kept some for taxes, and funded this cash account. If you're interested in Top Step, it's one of the links down below. So in today's video, just like all the other ones, we're going to do a little trading recap. Today is absolutely nuts. So on the day, we are up $4,004. We lost $50 at the beginning of the day, and then everything else was a win, which is why it's 85% win rate. And I just got to say, this has been one of the most fun trading days I've had in a long time. Part of that is because the chat room was just going off. We were all having a good time in there, even though we were all underwater a little bit. We were just enjoying talking trading and having a good laugh. And that made this morning just really fun. And then obviously making $4,000 is just a great day no matter who you are and what you're doing. So the combo is just amazing. Great feeling. If you're interested in the chat room, it's linked down below as well. So to get into the trade a little bit, this was a news play, partially. So the ES looked weak for a little bit to me. Ended up scaling into this position. Finally, it really started looking weak, which is when I was comfortable. I was going to cut off pretty close up here, actually. I was going to take my first big loss. But it showed signs of weakness. The NASDAQ was leading the way the entire day, and I held through it, scaled in per usual, and basically we made this lower high here, and from that point on, I was just chilling, knowing that I was in a good position. Was going to eye this 07 range right here, where we originally had this double bottom, this micro double bottom at 07. Was eyeing this, but what I really wanted was in the 90s, into this accumulation right here, which is what brought us into this high. This was my actual target on the day, and so I just put some fishing orders down there, and just so I didn't have to think about it. Long story short, suffered through the drawdown, like I said, with everybody else. And I get a lot of flack from Twitter and YouTube about my trading style and kind of sucking it through drawdown. I don't really care, to be honest. It's the way I trade, and I always have a hard number that I'm not going to trade past. And as the account's grown, it's the way I trade, so it's the way it is. Not a whole lot of reason to entertain that anymore. So suffered through it a little bit. Finally, right around here, I posted in the chat, I was like, this is the time that we're going to reject, if we're going to reject at all. I was going to cut my trade if we made a new high off of this, meaning that the trend had reversed. It was lunch hour, so it's pretty quiet. And then all of a sudden, I go upstairs to put my contacts on and put some deodorant on because I've been pinned to my screen all morning. And we freaking dump. And this is the candle that I walked back into. It was pumping up and then just slammed and filled my fishing orders down here in the 90s, 91 through 90, filled all my orders and then ripped right back up. Turns to find out Guild is a lab company trying to make some COVID stuff, and there was like a leak that their whatever vaccine or whatever is not actually working for COVID, and so the market just tanked. Also, this morning, the jobless claims were up, and so jobless claims being super high, the market's pumping through it. That's another reason why I wanted to short this. It just didn't make any sense to me. So we dumped, I got out, and I mean, even now it still looks weak, but I am definitely not trading anymore today. This has been one of my best days trading so far, and yeah, super happy with the outcome, obviously. I think some things to learn and to take away. I did comment in my chat. I was like, it was looking really weak up here, and I was like, this is the spot where if I wasn't already in my position, this is where I would want to be going in. And so it's just a reminder to myself to be patient and a reminder to you guys to be patient. Wait for your entries. There's no real reason to force it like I did right here. Wait for these good entries and then be patient on your winners. Again, like I was looking for 07. I would have held through 07 if it didn't get all the way there. Like I was looking for that. But like I really thought that this would be a strong correction and it actually hit there. And like obviously news plays a little part of it. But in my mind, and I say this so many times if you go back and watch my hundreds of videos, that like news just accelerates the price. Price is going to do what price wants to do. It's price action. And the news just accelerates that fact. So in my mind, even if we didn't have this news, we would have flushed out to it at some point throughout the day. But the news accelerated that fact and it allows me to have an early morning. So that's basically it for the recap video. If you're interested in joining the group chat with all of us, you can click that link. It's free. If you're interested in Top Step in order to get a funded account, you can get 20% off down in those links down below. And lastly, just as a recap, started at $1,200. We're now at $13,550 after a week and a half. Started on the 13th. So just overall feeling good, feeling happy. I'm in a low stress environment right now, and it's definitely helping my trading. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Go ahead and like and subscribe. It always means a lot. I've been getting a bunch of likes on my videos lately, which helps me make more and want to make more. And want to be more transparent about my trades in these videos and in the chat. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it. Peace.